Hafiz Saeed Sahab's Lashkar-e-Tayyiba was banned, and then he created Jamaatul Dawa. Jamaatul Dawa, as its name shows, it was focused on preaching Islamic philosophy, and they were having a large welfare network as well. But it was banned again under the pressure of United States of America, under the pressure of India, and maybe United Nations as well. Now Jamaatul Dawa is banned. All the welfare network is overtaken by the government of Pakistan. Hafiz Saeed was demanded a lot by India, by United States of America, but Pakistan government decided not to hand in over, not over to India or to United States of America, but to let him undergo a trial inside Pakistan. His case was taken to the anti-terror court for there were several counts of terror financing, several cases of terror financing against Hafiz Saeed, and he was convicted. He was convicted in 3 to 4 cases. All the sentence combined, it is approximately 80 years in imprisonment. 80 long years imprisonment in the 3 4 cases conviction of terror financing. Now they were large number of Hafiz Saeed Sahab followers. Their platform was taken, banned twice, all the welfare network taken. They were not going to stop their struggle. They were not going to disperse at all. They created a new platform. They knew that it is only the political way, the electoral politics, which they earlier used to oppose a lot, they considered it as un-Islamic, but now they came to a conclusion that it is the only way to continue their struggle and to carry on their work. So they opted for it. After the in-depth deliberation, they decided to get a political party registered and to concentrate upon the political activities, not any sort of armed struggle, not any sort of terror financing, but it is going to be the only struggle, not even the welfare network, but it is the political struggle. They designed a political party, worked out all the detail, and took it to the Election Commission of Pakistan, presented it, and wanted to take the name of Milli Muslim League. Milli Muslim League. But Election Commission of Pakistan did not register it. Election Commission of Pakistan ECP said that stop the Milli activities and start focus, concentrate on the Pakistani politics only. Then they given it another name, and that name was the Allahu Akbar Tehreek. The same manifesto, the same constitution, they changed the name, and this name was registered. Allahu Akbar Tehreek was registered with the Election Commission of Pakistan, but they thought maybe it is not a very appropriate name, and Milli Muslim League was a great name indeed, but the name was not granted to them. Then they thought Muslim League should be there, and then they designed another political party. Same manifesto, same everything else, same constitution, but with just a one difference. Now the name of this party was Pakistan Markazi Muslim League. Pakistan Markazi Muslim League also get registered. Now they are having the two platforms, but Allah Akbar Tehreek, it is dormant. They are not working upon that. They knew that they thought that Muslim League is a great name, and now their Markazi Pakistan Markazi Muslim League PMML has also been registered. They are working upon it day and night, very committed. They thought that this should be a different strategy, and the center and the president should not be having a religious or a sectarian outlook, but the secretary general should be having all the powers from the center to the tehsil level to the UC level. Every unit will be having a relatively neutral, relatively non-religious and figure as the president, but all the control will rest in the hands of Secretary General, and Secretary General will be a hardcore ideological person. Now at the center, the central president is Khalid Masood Sindhu. Khalid Masood Sindhu is the is the is the advocate lawyer of Supreme Court of Pakistan. Khalid Masood Sindhu is a practicing lawyer at Supreme Court of Pakistan, and Saifullah Khalid, a hardcore, ideological person. Although he is not banned, fortunately, he was not banned in the previous sentencing or indicting. He is free of all the cases, and he is actually leading at every level, from the central level to the UC level. Center is usually not so religious, not so sectarian, a soft figure, and relatively. And now the Secretary General will be a hardcore ideological person, but it should not have any case of terrorism, like, if in that case, that is how the party is going on. It is a very active party indeed, very active party indeed, and they have participated in the 2024 elections from the platform of Pakistan Markazi Muslim League. They fielded 500 candidates. They fielded 500 candidates across Pakistan, and none of them could win. Not even a single one could win any of the seat, but they secured more than half a million votes. They secured more than half a million votes. They are a very, very organized party indeed. That is, I think, they are struggling day and night. They are struggling day and night. Although they are Ahle Hadith, they are Ahle Hadith. They are not. They are not Shia. They are not Hanafi Barelvi. They are not Hanafi Deobandi, but they are Ahle Hadith. They are Ahle Hadith, but they are not willing to show this image to the general public, because there will be a lot of propaganda against them that these people are Wahhabi peoples. Somehow they are continuing their struggle, and I believe, and I don't think that they are going to win any of the seat again, but their number of votes will keep increasing. This party will keep increasing their strength. It will become better and better organized, and I think they are very patriotic indeed. They will serve the people and the nation in a better way, either outside the assemblies or inside the assemblies. They don't care, but they will serve.